you can send Reiki to the divine being. Watch what happens. But turn your Reiki on when you're doing your prayers, because if what one thing it is a universal life force energy. Oh yes, it is. But can you see the screen, beloved? Just
Yes,
really
sir.
briefly.
Yes, sir.
I
Universal life
I
force.
have frequently gone to thesaurus.com and I type in universal life force. What's a synonym for universal life force? God. What are other strong synonyms? What's the first synonym? Allah, Father, Jehovah, Lord, Yahweh. Diamond, well, okay, we'll find deity, divinity, master, Newman, power, providence, spirit, the Almighty, the Creator, Maker. Look at the absolute being for the Jamaican brothers and sisters, Jah. That's written in the King James version of the book of Psalms, that one of the names of God is Jah, Holy Spirit, King of Kings, divine being. So universal life force energy, you have the word energy, that's key. This is the ray. The word key, ray, key. Allah's energy, the Father's energy, the Almighty's energy, the absolute being's energy. Dear Christians, you want to get the Holy Spirit's energy. That's what universal life force is. So why are we running from the very thing that we say that we want to run to? Because a lot of us like to play small. We're
Mm.
comfortable. We're comfortable being children in kindergarten, speaking baby language.